Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make schedule on Google Sheet. So if you want to make a weekly or a daily or monthly schedule, you can do that on the Google Sheet, and I'm going to show you how. So here I've already opened the Google Sheet on my computer, and then what you need to do is click on File and then click New and choose from Template Gallery. Okay, as you can see here, you can find various templates provided by the Google Sheet, and then what you need to do is find the schedule template right here. You can see there are many, and I'm going to choose a schedule right here. Okay, so this is the schedule template, the daily schedule, and you can just edit each of the schedule according to your own schedule right here. So Monday, and also you can change the date. For example, I'm going to change it into this day. Like this. Oops, sorry. Like that, June 11. And then this will automatically change into according to the week off that we changed before. So we're going to you just need to add your own schedule. For example, at 8 a.m. you wake up, and then probably take a shower, go to work, and etc. And when you're done, this will automatically save into your drive, and when you want to open it, just find this file on your Google Drive. Okay, so I think that's it from me. That is how you can make schedule on Google Sheet. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it from me today. See you guys next time.